Once upon a time, in a magical forest far away, lived a tiny little squirrel named Timon. Timon was not like the other squirrels. He had a shimmering, golden fur and a twinkle in his eyes that made everyone smile. One day, while gathering nuts for the winter, Timon stumbled upon a tiny, glowing seed. It was unlike any seed he had ever seen before. It was as big as his paw and had a warm, pulsating glow. Timon picked up the seed gently and carried it home. As soon as he got home, he placed the seed in a small pot and watered it. To his surprise, the seed grew into a beautiful, tall tree overnight. The next morning, Timon woke up to find a tree full of bright, juicy fruits. He was delighted and couldn't wait to taste them. But as he reached out to take a fruit, a soft voice stopped him. "Timon, my dear squirrel, these fruits are not for eating," the voice said. "They are seeds of wisdom. Plant them wisely and watch your dreams come true." Timon was puzzled. He had never heard of seeds of wisdom before. He decided to plant one seed each day, hoping that his dreams would come true. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Timon started noticing changes. He became more curious, more helpful, and more understanding. He was no longer the same squirrel. He was wiser. One day, a group of lost animals came to the forest. They were lost and scared. Timon, with his newfound wisdom, guided them back home. He shared his knowledge, helped them find food, and showed them the way. The animals were grateful and thanked Timon. They told their friends about the wise little squirrel who had helped them. Soon, more and more animals came to the forest, seeking Timon's help. Timon was happy. He felt useful and important. He realized that the seeds of wisdom had not only changed him but also brought joy to others. He continued to plant the seeds, watching his dreams come true one by one. And so, Timon became known as the wisest squirrel in the forest. His golden fur shimmered even brighter, and his twinkle eyes sparkled with happiness. He continued to live his days, helping others and spreading wisdom, making the forest a better place for everyone. The end. Good night, dear children, and remember, wisdom is like a seed. Plant it wisely, and watch your dreams come true.